Hello again and happy holidays. I'm James. I'm not in the shop today, but I'm here to show you something I received in the mail. But I should explain. A little more than a month ago, another YouTube channel called KRT Wood, which I subscribe to. He's got a fantastic channel and he does fantastic work. He came up with an idea for Secret Santa on YouTube. And his idea was to send in your information and the name of your channel, and he would send your information to someone else who would make a gift for you, Secret Santa-wise, and send it to you before Christmas. And I don't know how many people responded, but I definitely did. And a couple of weeks later, I got my recipient, a fellow who's in Canada, which I will have a separate video on. But anyway, yesterday in the mail, I got a package from, I'm assuming, my Secret Santa. I took the wrapping off, but I haven't opened it yet. And I wanted to open it on camera to see. It's a little bit heavy, but I'm going to move the camera so we can see what it is. Okay, it's a very nice box. It says Merry Christmas. Oh, by the way, the wrapping showed me that it came from overseas. It came from England. There's a card that says James. Merry Christmas. Wishing you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. James, having watched some of your videos, I realize that you're in a similar position to me. Woodworking requires either very large movements or very small, intricate ones. One of my New Year's resolutions for 2019 is to move more, and I think that learning to juggle is a great way to solve those problems. Getting new motor skills. It's easier to learn if you have someone to practice with, so I invite you to join me in the juggling revolution. I hope you have a very Merry Christmas, and it's from Vix, V-I-X. And in the box, oh my goodness, are indeed juggling balls, it looks like. My son juggles. I used to juggle 3 for about 10 seconds. Wow. They look handmade. They're very grippable. I'm going to go explore who Vix is, and I'll be right back. Well, I found her on YouTube. It took a while, but her name is Vix, V-I-X Johnston, and she does crafts out of her home, something she calls Dragon's Den, or Dragon's Shed, I think is what she said. She's got a very nice channel. She put up a YouTube of how she made these very nice juggling balls, and I guess I'm the chap in Colorado that she's talking about. So, she suggests that we learn how to just do dexterous kinds of things and learn how to juggle. There was a time when I could do 3, but it appears not today. But I want to thank her. It's a wonderful gift. I will keep it close by, and I definitely will practice. And I think the KRT Wood, I think your idea was fabulous. I have a YouTube video I'm posting about what I made for my recipient, but I just tracked it and it's not getting there until the 19th, and today's just the 14th, so I'm not going to put that video up just in case somebody sees it and tells him. I want it to be a surprise. So this video came after the last video, but that'll be posted next, if you understand. Anyway, Merry Christmas, everybody. Happy holidays, Happy New Year. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for coming back so often and all the nice comments. And we'll see what kind of projects we can do in the new year. Take care.